Seek happiness within you, a leap of faith. A, ba- a boy on the seashore was counting the waves up and down as waves moved and reached the shore. Each time they came near to him, he would feel some kind of a deep belief in himself, and as they fade away with the rest of the water, he would feel heart cringing from inside, and that feeling was insane. No one wants to feel left out in the middle of the broad and long empty seashore. He got up and went to his home, slept. But something was going in his mind that it can't be happening to everyone on the beach, because till late night all his friends were enjoying at the beach and having a great time. The next day, at the same time, again he went and sat in the same place, hoping that last night was his hallucination. And today he can feel normal air surpassing the surface of the water and tingling sound of small fishes, loud and clear water waves. But he was wrong. Again, when a big wave came, it brought him a lot of trust and belief. He felt stronger than ever and wanted it forever. But sooner than he expected, as the waves diminished, one at a time, his feelings took opposite meanings and made him feel sick. But he didn't commit the mistake of running away from that place. He sat there for the whole night to see what's happening and what is that is challenging him, and fell asleep on the seashore like a baby. A bright light flashed to his eyes while rubbing slightly with his half eye open. He saw a beautiful, elegant, wonderful woman, just like a goddess, a creature that's standing right in front of him. The face seemed familiar, but he never seen her in his lifetime. In this mind, he felt consoled and cared for the very first time. As both of them, holding hands together, started walking on the beach, the sky turned to pink. Beautiful birds of white, red, and yellow color started flying all over them. Flowers of small and big sizes showered on their path. The entire scenery was full of life and life alone. Last conclusion. With a beautiful poetic voice, she said, men or women on this planet, Bhumitai, always craved for belief from others and ran away from their feelings when they didn't like the difficulties thrown at them because of the past karma. I always tried reappearing again and again to console and give you a leaf of faith. I thank you for choosing to endure all the toughness and awaiting for me in a clean sky. The story might be short, but the meaning is huge. Don't rush when mind is not coordinated with your present situation. Sit back quietly, for sure, God or Goddess of faith will arrive at the door of your heart. Keep that door always open through all thick and thins of your life. Will you? Thank you for listening to the story. And don't forget to check out my blog to read more stories. Link is in the description box.